Hello, children. So, I'm back again with the same topic, that is conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are also known as joining words, and when we want to combine two sentences, the words which we use for combining, for joining, like and, but, or are called conjunctions. Okay, the words like and, but, or are conjunctions. So as and or we have already discussed. Okay, and or we have already discussed, and today we will learn about conjunction but. So let's begin. Conjunction but. It is a connecting word that makes a contrast between two words or sentences. When the idea is different in sentence, we use but as the conjunction. So children, if we have two sentences and the ideas are opposites, means the sentence is expressing opposite ideas, opposite thoughts, so we will use conjunction but. Okay, like he hit the ball, he dropped the bat. So now we want to combine the sentence. Okay, we don't need to write sentence, means two sentences, so we can combine them. So what we do, he hit the ball, but dropped the bat. So when the ideas are opposite, we can use conjunction but. Okay, so as we have done all three conjunctions, that is a part of your syllabus, and, but, and, or. So let's revise once again. This is an easy way to remember. Conjunction and, when the ideas are similar, there we use conjunction and when the ideas are opposite, there we use conjunction but, and when the option is given, choice is given, there we use conjunction or. All right, so now we'll do practice of conjunctions in English grammar book. Here A part is already done, so we'll start with B part. Join the sentences using and, but, or. Here you can see the first part is already done, so we'll start with the second part. We could watch a film, we could watch a magic show. So here which conjunction we will use? We could watch a film or a magic show, means we could watch, means one option we could watch. Okay, one thing we could watch, either a film or a magic show. The next is the road is long, the road is rough. So here the road is long, means here two adjectives about the roads, that it is long and rough. So and is a conjunction. Now the fourth one is the elephant is huge, the elephant is gentle. Gentle means kind, calm. The elephant is huge but gentle, as here the size of the elephant is huge but elephant is very gentle. The last is the dog is small, the dog is fierce. So the dog is small, as the dog is very small but fierce. Fierce means angry. Okay, so that was this was all about the conjunctions. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Now this is your homework. Join the words by using and, but, or. So few sentences are given and you have to complete the sentences using conjunctions but, and, or. Okay, so do practice. That's all for today. Thank you so much.